Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 108 professor, additional professor, associate professor and assistant professor post vacancy in AIIMS Gorakhpur. Eligibility MD, MS, DM, MCH with experience. Age limit maximum 58 years for professor and additional professor, 50 years for associate professor and assistant professor. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 2nd May 2022. Salary as per level 14A for professor, level 13A2 for additional professor, level 13A1 for associate professor and level 12 for assistant professor. One civil motor driver post vacancy in headquarter recruiting zone Pune. Eligibility 10th with driving license, 2 years of driving experience. Age limit between 18 to 27 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 30 April 2022. Salary as per pay level 2. Indian Air Force vacancy for Group C civilian post: cook, carpenter, multitasking staff, housekeeping staff. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 25 April 2022. Salary as per pay level 1 2. One UDC post vacancy in Sainik School, Nalanda. Eligibility graduation and computer typing with 2 years of experience. Age limit between 18 to 50 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 9 April 2022. Application fees 500 for general OBC, 300 for SC ST. 21 Group C post vacancy in Railway Recruitment Cell, Northeastern Railway Gorakhpur under sports quota. Sports discipline cricket, kabaddi, basketball, hockey, volleyball, handball, wrestling, athletics, weightlifting. Eligibility 12th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Apply between 26 March to 25 April 2022. Application fees 500 and 250 for SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen, women, minorities and EBC candidate. 104 Rifleman, Riflewoman post vacancy in Office of the Director General, Assam Rifles Shillong under sports quota. Eligibility 10th. Sports discipline football, boxing, rowing, archery, cross country, athletics, polo. Age limit between 18 to 28 years. Apply between 26 March to 30 April 2022. Application fees 100 for general and OBC candidate. 80 Junior Engineer 1 Deputy General Manager post vacancy in NBCC India Limited. Eligibility Diploma in Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Degree in Civil Engineering for Deputy General Manager. Age limit maximum 28 years. Selection procedure written test for Junior Engineer and personal interview for Deputy General Manager. Last date for application 14 April 2022. Application fees 500 for Junior Engineer. Income Tax Department Sportsperson Recruitment 1 Income Tax Inspector, 5 Tax Assistant and 18 Multitasking Staff. Eligibility 10th and graduation. Sports discipline football, basketball, volleyball, cricket, kabaddi, bridge, chess, athletics and gymnastics. Age limit between 18 to 30 years for Income Tax Inspector, 18 to 27 years for tax assistant and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 18 April 2022. Salary as per pay level 1, 4 and 7. Gorkha Rifles Regimental Center Lucknow vacancy for steno and barber. Eligibility 10th 12th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 9 April 2022. Thanks for watching till the end.